Sir Jan, we are happy to...
Are you happy? Are you happy?
We are happy to say this
Not
to you.
all, ha? Not all.
We found your dog already.
Really?
Yeah. What's the name of your dog?
Nothing.
Nothing?
What?
You're nothing?
Nothing daw.
John Wick 2, 3. There's no name.
No, but your original dog is here. Chow Chow, come here.
Really?
Chow Chow. Chow Hey.
This is your pet.
Yeah.
His name is Malu. Pet Malu.
From Vinegar to Pet Malu.
Yeah. Can you talk to your
Si Master.
master?
Daisy. Si Daisy kasi ang pangalan ng pet. Yung bigay
Daisy.
ng wife. Oo. Daisy the Beagle.
Daisy ng tahanan.
Can you jump? Jump?
Daisy Tomas.
Sakit sa tuhod nun.
Grabe.
Ang sakit sa tuhod nun jump niya.
Can you backflip?
What?
Backflip daw.
Pinahirapan pa sila.
Teach her about rollover. Rollover. Teach her.
Rolling like what?
Rollover. Show it.
Kanina aso lang yan. Ba't ngayon Gollum na?
Show it the rollover.
1, 2, 3.
Rollover. How about Daisy?
Good job, sir. Good job. Lassie.
How about the Chow Chow?
How about
Let's go, Daisy. Let's go, Daisy.
Oh, Carlos Yulo.
Carlos Yulo.
Oh, wow. It's difficult.
Yeah!
One more. Good job.
Good job.
Nag-Scooby-Doo.
Grabe yan.